Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue clear slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue clear slime. I haven't really done a video like this in a while, because I've usually just done like no glue shampoo slime, no glue dish soap slime, like all this type of slimes. But today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how to make regular and simple no glue clear slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is any type of thick soap. I have these type of soaps right here. These are my favorite ones. They're the soft soap, like body washes, and these work amazing for no glue slimes. Then I also have method soap. This is a really good option to make no glue clear slime with. And then I also have salt. You can use any type of salt. I love using sea salt for no glue slimes. You guys will also need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. I'm just using this pack. And optional, you guys can use food coloring. You don't have to, but you can make any type of color if you want to make it clear slime. And yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to get my salt, and I'm just going to put it over the slime. I can't really show this, but I'm just going to go like that. And as you can tell, there is salt now in there. Just like that. And you don't need a lot of salt, you literally just need a pinch of it, and it will work perfect. So I just use this sea salt. It's from Target actually, and I'm going to mix it up more. And don't add a lot of salt. People always make the mistake of adding too much salt, and that waters it down and your slime won't work. And this is a very crucial step in the no glue slime recipe, so make sure you do that and just mix it around like this. And when it looks like this, you are good. I'm also sorry if you hear any background noises. My house is really loud. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And every 30 minutes, for 30-minute increments, I'm going to check on it, mix it up, see how it's doing. And when that's all done, I'll show you guys. Also guys, I added a little bit of blue food coloring into the slime. So now I'm going to put it right into the refrigerator for 2 hours, and I'll see you guys in about a second. Before I show you guys how the slime turned out, I want to talk about the giveaway I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a fidget toy giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway in a bit, and you guys seem to love my fidget toy videos, my slime videos. So I thought I would show you guys the giveaway I'm going to be doing. Also, for the fidget toy giveaway, these will be all brand new fidget toys. I just ordered them from Amazon and also Shein. And you will get a Neato. You will get an infinity cube, a simple dimple, this really cool poppet, and these will all be brand new in the package. I'll post it on my community page when they all come in. A poppet, this ice cream cone one, and along with that you guys will get a surprise slime from me, a note, and a signed signature from me on like a paper that says Kawaii Toy Collector. And all you have to do to enter this is international. Make sure you ask your parents' permission. In the comments down below, comment what your favorite fidget toy is and what you're most excited for summer. And along with that, please comment either your TikTok, Instagram, or parents' Facebook. So if you win, I can contact you. For more information on the fidget toy giveaway, it will be on my community page. But let's get into the no glue slime. Okay guys, it's been about 2 hours, and the slime looked like it got a little bit hard, but look at the color. Before I actually put it in there, I added some of this blue food coloring, which is right here, and it made it such a darker color, which is like not how I wanted it to turn out, but that's okay. So it's like a little bit clear, but here it is. Ooh. Oh, it's sticky. But let's see how this turned out. Oh my goodness, this worked really well. It's very sticky, and it's all over my hands right now, so let me just like mix it up. But look how this turned out. It's so sticky though, I'll say that. It's definitely a very pretty color. I wish I didn't add as much as food coloring in there, but it's so pretty, and it smells so good. It smells like the berries, and it worked really well. It's so sticky though for a no glue slime, which this happens. But after playing with it for a bit, it will get good. And look at this. There's like a little piece of like cardboard in here, but that's okay. I can see it. But this turned out really well. It is so sticky. I'm happy I have a towel over here to wipe my hands, because I knew these no glue slime recipes get really sticky throughout it. But this recipe turned awesome, and there's slime all over my hands now. But here it is. And don't mind that. That's also more food coloring, because I was looking at more of the colors, being like, which ones do I want? But it turned out really awesome. But this recipe turned out very well, other than it's super sticky, and I probably need some more time in the refrigerator, which I'm going to put it in there. And I'll put it in there for about another hour, and I'll post more about it on my story on my YouTube page when it's all done. But this recipe turned out awesome for no glue slime. I'm really happy how it turned out, which is really awesome. So this is a big win-win on my part. You guys can try out this soap, or you can also use Method soap, or even like Suave shampoo works. What's the other one? The 3-in-1 shampoo by that brand. Everything works with this recipe, like any type of thick soap that you know will work for no glue slime. But yeah, this recipe was a huge win-win on my part, and if it was a win-win for you, put it in the comments down below. But I love you guys so much. Remember to check out all my social medias, enter the giveaway. And yeah, so remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some good ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!